Now I calculate the cumulative principal of first year. For this purpose, cumulative principal function is used. This function is used to calculate the total amount spent on reducing the remaining principal of the loan. There are 12 periods in first year. To calculate amount of principal payments of the first year from periods 1 to 12 on the loan, active cell reference F8. Click financial arrow button. Click cumulative principal function. This function has 6 arguments. These arguments have same characteristics as have cumulative interest function. In red box, select this cell reference, press tab key. In NPER box, select this cell reference, press tab key. In PV box, select this cell reference, press tab key. In start period box, select this cell reference, press tab key. In end period box, select this cell reference, press tab key. In type box, type 0. Click OK. Function returns negative $4,653.89 in December. This amount is called principal payment. This amount will reduce the remaining principal of the first year on the loan, or this amount will be paid on the loan of the first year. To calculate amount of principal payments of the second year from periods 13 to 24 on the loan, active cell reference F9. Click financial arrow button. Click cumulative principal function. In red box, select this cell reference, press tab key. In NPER box, select this cell reference, press tab key. In PV box, select this cell reference, press tab key. In start period box, select this cell reference, press tab key. In end period box, select this cell reference, press tab key. In type box, type 0. Click OK. Function returns negative $4,990.32 in December. This amount is the sum of principal payments from periods 13 to 24 of the second year on the loan, or this amount will be paid on the loan of the second year. This amount will reduce the remaining principal of the second year on the loan. To calculate principal payments of other years, first make the position of cell references B5, C5 and D5 absolute cell references and remain the relative position of cell references C9 and D9. Click after the cell reference B5, press F4 key. Press F4 key, press F4 key, press enter key, again activate this cell. Paste the formula in other cells. Double click. You have cumulative principal payments of remaining 8 years. Activity cell. This is the cumulative principal amount of third year from periods 25 to 36 on the loan. Similarly, other years have. So this function calculates the sum of several principal payments.